My true Yarans, I stand before you armed with truth. For too long, our country was stolen by politicians. But you elected a vision, a cure, a road to paradise. Viviro, created by our own brilliant scientists. The most effective treatment for cancer the world has ever seen. Grown within our precious tobacco. Modified with the purest fertilizer. Viviro is the key to rebuild paradise. But our paradise comes at a cost. This our enemies will never understand. Yara did not elect me to do what's easy, but to do what's right. And so, with renewed focus, I must extend the draft to paradise. True Yarans from across our island, chosen to produce enough Viviro to heal them and save our country. These lucky Yarans will be chosen by random lottery.
Hey, Donnie. Turn that shit off.
Exactly what Castillo wants. You think the draft is only taking 2 yards? It's the outcast, the poor, orphans, and us. He's bringing slavery back from the dead. In Yara, we can't look for this.
You're back here to recruit for Clara Garcia's local crusade? This is our big goodbye.
Danny, fucking say something.
Roma Nimba.
You could help Diputado.
What a big Korean military if you want such a fuck. Roma doesn't.
You never fucking listen, Manny.
Was waiting. Drinks amazing. You're me up. Fucking blackouts.
Big for black.
Draftees must report for duty. You will join us to rebuild paradise. Draftees must report for duty. You will join us to rebuild paradise. Draftees must report for duty. You will join us to rebuild paradise. Draftees must report for duty. You will join us to rebuild paradise.
Check the rooftop now!
Draftees must report for duty. You will join us to rebuild paradise. Draftees must report for duty. Join us to rebuild paradise. Draftees.
Open up! This is the FND.
Danny, I told you, there's no one here.
Hey, Rojas, should have answered the call. Next asshole who opens the door is Danny Rojas. Come on. FND, get out here.
We're looking for Danny Rojas.
Okay. I'm not resisting.
What the fuck? Come on! I have a family!
Wait! Don't shoot! Don't shoot! Don't shoot! Don't shoot!